Imagine this. Every morning, the sound of your alarm marks the start of yet another day that feels exactly like the last. You're caught in a seemingly endless cycle. Wake up, go to work, come home, repeat. At work, you feel underappreciated and undervalued, a small cog in a vast machine that never stops turning. The worst part? It feels like you're stuck, unable to break free from this monotonous routine. The dreams you once held close, whether it was to craft a career that truly matters, to explore every corner of the globe, or to live a life rich in purpose, now seem just out of reach, lost in the haze of daily obligations. Now pause for a moment and ask yourself, is this the life I was meant to live? Can you remember the last time you felt genuinely excited about your day? If these questions stir something within you, you're not alone. Many of us find ourselves longing for a change, yet uncertain of where to start or if it's even possible to alter the course of our lives. But what if I told you that there is a way out? A path less traveled that leads to the fulfillment of those dreams you thought were lost. This isn't about quick fixes or empty promises. It's about a fundamental shift in how you view money, success, and happiness, inspired by none other than Warren Buffett, one of the greatest financial minds of our time. Through his wisdom, we've distilled 5 transformative steps that can guide you out of the cycle of monotony and into a life of wealth, purpose, and freedom. Are you ready to embark on this journey? To challenge the status quo and reclaim your dreams? Let's begin your daily dose of wealth wisdom and unveil the secrets to unlocking a life of abundance and fulfillment. This is your moment of truth, the first step towards a future where your daily grind becomes a daily joy. Most will not make it until the end of the video, but those who do are truly on the path to wealth and financial freedom. If you're ready to start your journey, type "I will be a millionaire" in the comments. Yes, just type "I will be a millionaire" in the comments. Now let's dive in and discover together how the principles of wealth can lead to a richer life in every sense. As we embark on this journey together, it's crucial to start at the very beginning. Understanding your financial starting point. You might be wondering, why is this important? Well, imagine setting off on a journey without knowing where you are starting from. It's nearly impossible, right? The same applies to your journey towards financial freedom. First, let's take a moment to reflect. Think about your current financial situation. Are you living paycheck to paycheck? Are you saving for the future? Or perhaps you're not quite sure where your money goes each month. It's okay. You're not alone in this. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of our time, began his journey with a simple understanding of his own finances. He knew that to build wealth, one must first know their financial baseline. Do I really know where my money is going? Ask yourself this question. It's the first step towards taking control. Here's what you can do today. Start tracking your spending, every penny. This might sound tedious, but it's eye-opening. You'll begin to see patterns, areas where you can cut back, and opportunities to save and invest. Remember, Buffett's success didn't come from making huge, risky investments, but from making informed, strategic decisions. Are you listening? This is your call to action. Open a spreadsheet or grab a notebook. Start tracking your spending for the next month. See it as a challenge, a crucial step on your path to wealth. By understanding your financial starting point, you're laying the groundwork for everything that comes next. It's about building a strong foundation, one that will support your journey towards financial freedom. So, I challenge you, take this first step. Pay attention to where your money is going, and you'll start to see the possibilities for where it can take you. In the next section, we'll explore how shifting your mindset can dramatically change your financial future. But for now, focus on this first step. It's the beginning of your transformation. Have you ever heard the saying, "Your mindset determines your reality"? Well, when it comes to building wealth, this couldn't be more true. But what exactly is a wealth mindset, and how can we cultivate it? Let's explore this together. Imagine for a moment someone who sees opportunities where others see obstacles, who views every setback as a setup for a comeback. This person doesn't have a secret formula or a magic wand. What they have is a wealth mindset, a belief system that not only attracts wealth, but also creates it. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not that person. I see more barriers than bridges, and that's okay. The beauty of a mindset is that it can be changed. It's all about shifting your perspective. Warren Buffett didn't start with a silver spoon in his mouth. He cultivated a mindset of abundance, curiosity, and resilience. He saw opportunities in places where others overlooked, and it all started with a simple shift in perspective. So, how do we begin this shift? Start by challenging your beliefs about money. Do you see it as scarce or abundant? A tool for freedom or a source of stress? Your beliefs shape your actions, and your actions shape your reality. Here's an exercise for you. Every morning for the next week, start your day by stating a positive affirmation about wealth. For example, I am capable of making smart financial decisions. Or, wealth flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. This might feel a bit strange at first, but what you're doing is planting seeds in your mind, seeds that will grow into a lush garden of abundance. Remember, cultivating a wealth mindset is not an overnight process. It's a journey, but it's a journey worth taking. Because once you start viewing the world through the lens of abundance, you'll begin to notice opportunities you never saw before. So I ask you, are you ready to shift your perspective, to break free from the cycle of scarcity and step into a world of abundance? Your mindset is the key, and now is the perfect time to turn that key and unlock a new dimension of wealth. In our next section, we'll dive deeper into learning from the best, how studying the paths of those who've achieved great wealth like Warren Buffett can illuminate our way forward. But for now, focus on cultivating your wealth mindset, because this is where the transformation truly begins. As we stand on the brink of transforming our financial destinies, it's essential to look up to those who've already traversed the path to immense wealth and success. Who better to guide us than Warren Buffett himself? A man whose name is synonymous with investing genius and unprecedented financial acumen. You see, the journey to wealth is not just about making money. It's about making smart decisions with the money we have. It's about understanding the landscape of investment, recognizing value, and seizing opportunity with both hands. But how did Buffett achieve this? And more importantly, how can we apply his principles to our own lives? Buffett's approach to investing is surprisingly straightforward. He invests in what he understands, looks for intrinsic value, and thinks long-term. Simple, right? Yet beneath this simplicity lies a profound understanding of the market dynamics and human psychology. Let's break it down. Investing in what you understand doesn't mean you need to be an expert in every field. It means focusing your investments on industries or companies you're familiar with or willing to learn about. This reduces risk and increases your chances of making informed decisions. Looking for intrinsic value means finding companies that are undervalued by the market but have strong fundamentals. Companies that, for some reason, are not being recognized for their true worth. Buffett's knack for spotting these hidden gems has been a cornerstone of his success. Thinking long-term, however, might be the most challenging yet rewarding principle. In a world obsessed with quick wins and short-term gains, adopting a long-term perspective requires discipline and patience. But as Buffett himself has shown, it's this long-term thinking that yields the most significant returns. Are you starting to see the pattern? These principles are not just about investing in the stock market. They're about investing in ourselves, our futures. It's a mindset shift from seeking instant gratification to building lasting value. So, I challenge you. Look into your financial decisions. Are they aligned with these principles? Are you focusing on value, understanding, and the long term? Remember, the path to wealth is not a sprint, but a marathon. In the next section, we will explore taking action towards wealth, where the rubber meets the road and these principles are put into practice. But for now, reflect on how Buffett's wisdom can guide your investment choices and life decisions. Because learning from the best is not just about admiration, it's about emulation and application. After absorbing the wisdom of Warren Buffett and understanding the importance of a wealth mindset, you might find yourself at a crossroads, teeming with newfound knowledge, yet uncertain about the first step to take. What do I do now? This question marks the beginning of true transformation, because knowledge, while powerful, becomes transformative only through action. The journey towards financial freedom is paved with decisions that can either propel you forward or hold you back. It's time to take the wheel, steering your financial future in the direction of growth and success. But how? Let's break down the actionable steps that can guide your journey from here. First and foremost, commit to continuous learning. The financial landscape is ever evolving, and staying informed is key to making wise investment choices. Dedicate time each week to educate yourself about financial markets, investment strategies, and economic trends. Knowledge is your greatest ally in the quest for wealth. Next, begin by assessing your financial health. Create a comprehensive inventory of your assets and liabilities. This clear financial snapshot is your baseline, the starting point from which you'll chart your course towards financial growth. With your financial health in focus, set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. Do you want to save for a down payment on a house, build an emergency fund, or start investing in the stock market? Define what success looks like for you and outline the steps needed to get there. Now, let's talk about budgeting. Yes, the dreaded B word. But here's the thing. Budgeting isn't about restricting your life. It's about empowering your financial future. It's about making your money work for you, not against you. Allocate your income with purpose, ensuring that you're saving and investing with intention. Speaking of investing, start small. The idea isn't to become a stock market mogul overnight, but to begin the process of building your investment portfolio. Consider low-cost index funds, a favorite of Buffett's, as a starting point. They offer diversification and a way to participate in the market's growth over time, aligning perfectly with the principle of long-term thinking. Are you listening? This is your moment, the crossroads between the life you've known and the future you desire. Taking action towards wealth isn't just about improving your financial situation. It's about reclaiming your freedom, your choices, and ultimately your life. In our final section, we'll reflect on the journey we've taken together and look ahead to the path that lies before us. But for now, the most critical step is the one that lies directly in front of you. Take that step. Begin today and let each decision, each action, guide you closer to the wealth and freedom you seek. Throughout this journey, we've navigated through the realms of personal finance and investment with one goal in mind: to break free from the chains of financial uncertainty and step into a world brimming with opportunities and wealth. It's been a journey not just of financial education, but of personal growth, mindset shifts, and actionable change. You've discovered that starting with an understanding of your financial situation lays the groundwork for all future successes. You've learned that cultivating a wealth mindset isn't just about believing in abundance, but about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. You've embraced the wisdom of Warren Buffett, applying his timeless principles to not only your finances, but your life's approach. And you've taken action, the most crucial step towards building a future of financial freedom and fulfillment. Now, as we stand on this new horizon, it's essential to recognize that the journey doesn't end here. Financial freedom is a continuous path, one that requires dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to never stop learning and growing. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards realizing your dreams. So what's next on this journey? Continue to set new goals, explore new investment opportunities, and challenge yourself to reach higher levels of financial literacy and independence. Stay curious, stay motivated, and most importantly, stay on the path. I urge you to keep pushing forward, leveraging every bit of knowledge, every piece of advice, and every ounce of inspiration you've gained. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. Join communities of like-minded individuals, seek guidance from financial experts, and share your knowledge with others who are just starting their journey. Are you ready to embrace the future with open arms? To take control of your financial destiny and create a life filled with purpose, wealth, and happiness? This is your moment of truth, the beginning of a new chapter. Let's move forward with courage, determination, and the unwavering belief that the path to financial freedom is within our grasp. Together, we can turn the dream of financial independence into a reality. Thank you for embarking on this journey with me. Your path to financial freedom starts now. Let's make it a journey to remember.